Now, let's take a look at using units. And unfortunately, in the US, we only work in what are called imperial or standard units, as you probably know. And this means that we work in inches and feet. And yes, our system is terrible. Yes, it should change, but it's the one we use, and thus we have to know it, and you have to know it for the work. So, just to make, first of all, to make sure that you understand how to read the units, note that when we write these things, we might write them with a little apostrophe, like this one right here, or with a quotation mark like this one here. So the apostrophe indicates feet, and the quotation indicates inches. So, and then we might also have a little dash right in here. The dash does not indicate anything. It's not a minus sign. And this is going to get a little confusing when we start doing inch calculations in Revit, but just know that when you see this, it just means everything together. So this is 102 feet, 10 and 5/8 inches. Now, generally, you're not going to need to do conversions for this work, but it is always good for you to have a rough idea about, what centimeters and inches might convert between. There are times that this might be useful, but it's mainly just so that you have an idea about the size of a building or a size of an element or whatever it might be. So the official calculation is 2.54 centimeters equals 1 inch. But what that means is approximately 10 centimeters is 4 inches, approximately 15 centimeters is 6 inches, and approximately 30 centimeters is 1 foot. You can keep going bigger and bigger and bigger, but we just want you to have this for reference, and you're always going to have access to this sort of thing. Now, for the next video, you're going to practice doing some conversions between imperial and metric. Again, you don't need to do this on a regular basis, but it's good to have the practice. Now, thankfully for you, someone who teaches better than I do has created this video, and note that it'll play next in your YouTube playlist. But if you're looking at the Miro board here, you can still access it from here.